Tools required: 36-inch pipe wrench, 3/8 drive ratchet, 6-inch 3/8 extension, 3/8 half-inch drive socket, 2 3/4-inch wrenches, Teflon tape, dishwashing soap, and a floor jack and a block of wood to support the frame. A automotive jack stand can be substituted for the floor jack. Support the frame with the floor jack and block of wood. Remove the stator tube reducer first. Remove the floor jack and block of wood. Loosen the adjustable clamp slide first. Loosen the bolts on the stator clamp and slide the clamp off. Support the frame with the floor jack and block of wood. Remove the stator tube. Turn the master disconnect on. Be sure the speed dial is set to 0. Place the machine in start and forward. Have an assistant run the controls. Place the machine in forward to allow the stator to unscrew itself from the frame. Once the tube drops, have your assistant stop the machine. Place the adjustable wrench on the tube and have your assistant restart the pump. Once the tube is removed, stop the pump. Turn the master disconnect off. Remove the floor jack. Lock the casters perpendicular to each other. Lubricate the rotor and stator tube with the dishwashing soap. Turn on the master disconnect. Place the speed control on 0. Place the machine in start and reverse. Start the stator tube on the rotor. Have your assistant run the controls to screw the stator onto the pump. Once the stator tube gets close to the frame, use the pump to start the stator tube into the frame pipe fitting. Turn off the master disconnect. Tighten the stator tube. Do not use too much force. You will have to remove the stator tube again in the future. Install the stator tube clamp, tightening the half-inch bolts first. Slide the adjustable stop against the frame of the machine and tighten the bolts. Use Teflon tape on the threads. Install the stator tube reducer. Tighten the stator tube reducer. Do not use too much force. You will have to remove the stator tube reducer in the future.